Formal nang inanunsyo ng National Plebiscite Board of Canvassers na naratipikahan na ang Bangsamoro Organic Law o BOL. Ibig sabihin, ang mga lugar sa Mindanao kung saan nanaig ang yes sa isinagawang plebisito ay isasama sa bubuuing Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao o BARMM. May report si Tina Panganiban Perez.
Ang Certificate of Canvass sa Cotabato City ang unang tinanggap ng National Plebiscite Board of Canvassers, kaya ito rin ang unang na-canvass. Panalo ang botong yes sa tanong kung gustong masama ng Cotabato City sa itatatag na Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao o BARMM. Kinanvas lang ang mga boto sa Cotabato City matapos maresolba ang mga question kahapon tungkol sa pagkakaiba ng bilang ng botong no sa COC at sa Statement of Votes. Ang umano'y nawawalang no votes nasa page 2 pala ng SOV.
For the no votes, it appears in the COC 24,994. In the Statement of Votes, Summary Statement of Votes, page 1, the number of votes for the no is 22,507. And on page 2, it reflects the no votes is 2,487. So therefore, the no votes is 24,994. So the COC and the summary statement of votes are the same.
Based on the report of the audit and tabulation group, there has been no discrepancy.
Kinwestiyon din kahapon kung bakit mas marami ang nakatalang bilang ng mga boto kaysa bilang ng mga botante. Matapos suriin ng Tabulation Committee ang mga dokumento, lumabas na nakablanko lang ang ilang impormasyon sa ilang dokumento.
They were left blank, making the data incomplete.
The discrepancy or the incompleteness of the number of registered voters and number of registered voters who actually voted in the COC of Cotabato City is hereby ordered as a formal defect. So, in that case, we will proceed with the canvass of the COC.
Sunod na binuksan ang ballot box galing Isabela City sa Basilan. Sinikap itong harangin ng Bangsamoro Transition Committee dahil may sinama raw sa COC na 18 plebiscite returns na may mga bura. Pero natuloy pa rin ang canvassing dahil walang legal grounds para huminto.
Are you now alleging fraud? Yes or no?
Yes, Your Honor.
On what ground?
That there are plebiscite returns that would reflect, that showed erasures and have been tampered by plebiscite.
What is your proof? Where are those, or at the list of the plebiscite returns that you are alleging?
Your Honor, there were 80 plebiscite returns that were initially segregated.
When you allege fraud in the certificate of canvass, on its face, the certificates of canvass, are they genuine on its face?
On its face, they're genuine, Your
Yes,
Honor.
but you are alleging fraud of the contents.
Yes, Your
Is
Honor.
that a ground for stopping the canvass? Is it or it is not?
It's not, Your
It
Honor.
is not a ground.
Yes, Your Honor.
No ang boto ng karamihan sa mga taga Isabela City sa tanong kung gusto nilang masama sa BARMM. Dahil dito hindi na mapapasama ang Isabela City sa BARMM. Yes naman ang nanalo sa Basilan Province sa parehong tanong. Yes din ang nanalo sa ARMM sa pagratipika sa Bangsamoro Organic Law.
The National Plebiscite
Base sa resulta ng canvassing, inanunsyo ng National Plebiscite Board of Canvassers na naratipikahan na ang Bangsamoro Organic Law. At dahil bumoto ang Cotabato City ng pabor, kasama ito sa bubuuhing Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao o BARMM. Ang BARMM ang papalit sa Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao o ARMM. Hindi kasali sa BARMM ang Isabela City Basilan dahil bumoto ito laban sa pagsali sa BARMM.
The Commission on Elections, sitting unbanked as the National Plebiscite Board of Canvassers, hereby proclaims Republic Act Number 11054, otherwise known as the Organic Law for the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao, as deemed ratified, considering that majority of the votes cast with all the provinces and cities of the present ARMM voting as one geographical area is in favor of the approval of the organic law.
Tina Panganiban Perez, GMA News.